Good evening, friends. Awesome news! It has just been announced that many Americans now qualify for a $500 stimulus check. These payments are aimed at helping low and middle-income households stay afloat during this ongoing crisis. Top lawmakers are also now saying that the rising inflation is not permanent and that Americans can expect to see a big decrease very soon. So my friends, please make sure to watch until the end of this video to learn if you will be receiving a $500 stimulus check soon. Also, please share this video with your friends and family if they need more reliable stimulus news. If you would like to enter my Walmart gift card giveaway, when I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, then please be sure to listen for the keyword from this video.
The Democrats' plan contains more than 40 separate tax hikes on the American people. 40 separate tax hikes on the American people. These increases would impact taxpayers at every income level. Small business owners and family farmers would feel yet another pinch. Even the tax hikes that are ostensibly aimed at Washington Democrats' favorite punching bag, American industry, would find their way back down to working families. Democrats' war on affordable American energy would hit pocketbooks just in time to spike winter heating bills and the prices of made-in-America goods. Their corporate tax hikes would leave American businesses paying higher tax rate than businesses, listen to this, in communist China. And as the Joint Committee on Taxation has shown, two-thirds of the burden of Democrats' proposed new taxes on businesses would fall on lower and middle-income Americans. Two-thirds. But Washington Democrats aren't just laying out massive new tax hikes in the light of day. They also want to hand the IRS new snooping powers to start digging through individual Americans' bank accounts. They want to pay for their reckless taxing and spending spree by treating normal American households like everybody is under audit.
All right, friends. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz is pushing lawmakers to pass bigger rebate checks instead of a gas tax holiday, as inflation surges to levels not seen in 40 years. Governor Walz's proposal calls for direct payments of $500 to adults who make less than $164,400 a year, and $1,000 per couple making less than $273,470. He has tripled the size of the checks since he first proposed them in January of this year, and his administration now estimates that the cost will be $2 billion. The checks are part of Governor Walz's updated spending plan that were just released today. Politicians across the country are grappling with inflation, especially high visible gas prices. With this fall's midterm elections looming, Governor Walz has said that a direct payment would be more effective than waiving the state's 28 cents per gallon tax over the summer, as some House Democrats have proposed. During an interview, Governor Walz said, "It's quite a few fill-ups that you would get out of $1,000. I think this money in the hands of folks before summer would make a good difference, and it's fiscally responsible." Governor Walz has also stated that he would like to sign a gas tax holiday if the state legislature passed one. Under a gas tax holiday, relief would be much slower than with a one-time payment. The owner of a vehicle with a 15-gallon tank would need to fill up 119 times before saving $500. But a rebate check would not change a 2-foot tall, record-breaking prices displayed on gas station signs. Some Republicans who control the Minnesota Senate call a gas tax holiday a gimmick. They have also been lukewarm to Walz's one-time rebate checks, preferring permanent income tax cuts instead. The Senate GOP has called for cutting the bottom income tax rate, which all filers pay on at least a portion of their income, nearly in half. With the 2022 session nearing its midpoint, Lawmakers need to take action. This proposal would spend $10.4 billion of combined budget surplus for more federal crisis relief money. This includes income tax cuts, rebate checks, bonuses for workers on the front lines of this crisis, and business tax breaks. So, my good friends, do you support the government sending out $500 stimulus checks? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Now, some American families will also continue to benefit from the child tax credit this year. The child tax credit, which President Biden signed into law as part of his $1.9 trillion American Rescue Plan, which was a relief package put into place amid the crisis, provides eligible families with up to $3,600 per child. The credit is being distributed in 2 phases. All eligible families receive the first half via monthly payments of up to $300 per child under the age of 6, or $250 per child between the ages of 6 and 17, between the months of July and December 2021. The other half will be claimed on residents' 2020 tax returns this year. So for families who opted out of the monthly payments, you can receive the credit in one lump sum when you file your 2021 tax return. There have also been several petitions for more stimulus checks like those issued in 2020. The good news, friends, is that our lawmakers are finally taking action and beginning negotiations on these new relief bills. Petition for monthly $2,000 stimulus checks is now one of the most signed petitions on change.org. Stephanie Bonin, a Denver restaurant owner, created the petition in 2020 as a crisis began and businesses had to close their doors. The petition has called for $2,000 monthly payments for adults and $1,000 payments for children to help provide stability to families during the crisis. The petition has reached its goal of over 3 million signatures. So people from every state have signed the petition. So it's very clear that Americans would like to see Congress pass more relief. Friends, the keyword for this video is Eagle. If you would like to enter tomorrow's Walmart gift card giveaway, where I'll be giving away 3 $75 Walmart gift cards, please click and like my videos. Comment below this keyword and additional keywords from any video of mine that you watch. And please do make sure that you're also subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed Thursday.